The Set Transparent Color tool in PowerPoint is powerful when you want to remove a particular color from your image. Here's how you can use it. Open your PowerPoint presentation and insert the desired image into a slide. You can do this by clicking Insert and then Pictures. Select the image by clicking on it. This will enable the Picture Format tab. Find the Adjust group and click on Color. From the drop-down menu, select Set Transparent Color. Your cursor will change to a pen with an arrow. Hover over the image to the color you wish to make transparent and click on it. Once done, the color you clicked will become transparent. Areas of the image that shared that exact color will now show the background of the slide or other images layered beneath. Note, this tool is best suited for images with high contrast and non-complex color schemes. If the image has similar colors or varying shades, you may find it challenging to achieve the desired effect. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.